Here's 3 more Trident assisted folding knives that I have in my collection. These are the Digi Camos and the Blackout. This is old school. These are USA made. Okay, here's the Blackout version, partial serrated. Here's the greenish camo with the black finish, Aussay steel. And then here's the desert Digi, and has kind of a bronze desert colored blade. These 3 Tridents are in my collection, and these are USA made. So I can turn those around real quick. Got 60 seconds here. There you go. SOG Tridents, USA made.